This video is for question number 5 of the January 2017 Common Core Algebra 1 Regents. And what we have here is a little bit of statistics and a little bit of probability. So the question is, a radio station did a survey to determine what kind of music to play by taking a sample of middle school, high school, and college students, which are shown here. They were asked which of 3 different types of music they prefer on the radio: hip hop, alternative, or classic rock. And those are reflected here. And the results are summarized in the table below. So basically, the numbers in here are the responses that they got. So meaning 28 middle school students said hip hop, 18 middle school students said alternative rock, 4 middle school students said classic rock, and 22 high school students said hip hop, etc., etc. The question is, what percentage of college students prefer classic rock? And a percentage is just a proportion. So to get the percentage, we do the part over whole. That would give us a decimal answer, and then we multiply by 100 to get the percentage value, because percent are out of 100. So what percentage of students, college students, prefer classic rock? So the of here is the college students, meaning we are only interested in this row. The middle and high school students are irrelevant to our question. And then they said prefer classic rock. Well, that would mean that 14 of them do, so that would be the part. The whole here would be all of the college students. That's it. Just the college students. And in order to do that, we have to add up the row of college students to see how many they surveyed. So if we do 16 plus 20 plus 14, we get 50. And the question then becomes 14 out of 50 times 100%. And what we get here is 28%. Again, the question has nothing to do with middle and high school students. That is extra information. If they had asked what percentage of students are in college and prefer classic rock out of the entire survey, then we would take 14 out of the sum of all of them. But in this case, they're literally asking us what percent of college students. There's another way to look at this question, which is our is over of equals percent of the 1 over 100 kind of mnemonic formula for percentages. And the is what we are, the is the 14 rather. The of is the number of college students, that is the 50, is percent, which is our unknown here. It asks what percentage over 100. So we can go ahead and multiply here, cross multiply. This is just a proportion. So we get 50x is 14 times 100, which is 1400. If we divide that by 50, we do get x is 28, and that yields the exact same answer we found before.